What is PATH and how can I get a benefit? The Government of Jamaica wished to increase social development in the country, and so took loans from the World Bank and the Inter-American Development Bank, the IDB, to develop a safety net called the Program of Advancement through Health and Education, PATH. PATH helps people who need support if they meet certain conditions. PATH aims to do the following. 1. Increase educational attainment and improve health outcomes of the poor. PATH believes that by helping poor parents, then their children are at less risk of becoming poor too when they grow up. 2. Reduce poverty by transferring resources to the poor. 3. Reduce the number and hours that children work by requiring them to go to school at least 85% of the school year. 4. Preventing families from becoming even poorer when disasters come. Since its launch in 2002, PATH has become Jamaica's best social assistance program, since it now provides cash grants to nearly 350,000 beneficiaries. PATH eligibility criteria. If you want to get on PATH, please visit the Ministry of Labour and Social Security's office in the parish where you live to complete the application process. The process may also be done at special centers, in communities, or even in the homes of the elderly or persons with disabilities. What they will do is to take information about who you are and what you and your family members already have in life. They will enter this information in their beneficiary identification system, BIS. The system will do a proxy means test and give your family a score. If your family gets a score that is at or below the cutoff point of the program, you will be provisionally selected to receive a benefit. For final selection, the staff of the Ministry of Labour and Social Security is going to check to see that you have told them the truth. Benefits are delivered to families for a period of 4 years. After your 4 years, you will have to reapply and be reassessed to continue in the program. If you want your application to be processed, please bring the following documents: birth certificate for the family head, valid ID for the family head, TRN for the family head, birth certificates for all children living in the household, birth certificates for adults 60 and over who live in the household. Path benefit categories. Individuals within the following categories may be selected for payment in beneficiary families. Children from birth to the completion of secondary school. Pregnant and lactating women. Members of the family who are pregnant or who have not passed 6 months since the birth of the last child. Elderly people. Members of the family who are 60 years or more. Persons with disabilities. Family members who have been certified by a doctor or by the Jamaica Council of Persons with Disabilities as having a permanent disability. Adult poor. The head of a family consisting only of persons who are over the age of 18 but under 60 years may be selected to receive a benefit. What are the conditions for me to stay on path for those first 4 years? In order to get the cash grant, you have to do the following things. You must send school-aged children, 6 years and over, to school at least 85% of the term. Children under 6 years must do their clinic visits to get their vaccinations and have the nurse ensure that they are not sick. Payment delivery and mechanism. Payments are delivered to qualified beneficiaries who have done everything that they must do in 6 times each year. You get paid on or before the 15th of February, April, June, August, October, and December. Several delivery mechanisms are used. Checks can be collected directly from post offices in your community. Payment through NCB keycard cash, which will allow you to get your cash through the ATM multi-link network, or to conduct point-of-sale transactions with participating merchants. They also have electronic transfers being provided by the 2 major remittance service providers. So now you know how to get a path benefit.